Okay, good evening once again. Okay, we will start this remaining part of this chapter. Okay, this the we are on third point. Okay, prescribed quantity of alcohol. Okay, what is said in HPI? Okay, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, so the prescribed quantity of alcohol. Okay, pre-calculated added to the cover the whole mass of the drug substances. Okay, means after that just you have to the alcohol should be that much, it can cover the whole mass what you are taking. Okay, so that it can be properly dissolved. Okay, because you are giving time only for the dissolve, 2 to 4 weeks you are giving time that we will learn to just dissolve the materials what is in that particular medicinal plant. Okay, that will be dissolved in the alcohol. Okay, next, fourth point is the macerating jar is now carefully corked or sealed in order to prevent the evaporation of the menstruum or alcohol. Okay, this jar is of two types. Already we have discussed. Okay, glass jar may be used or stainless steel jar may be used. Okay, then this jar is kept on a cool, dark place free from dust, odor, heat, or direct sunlight. Okay. Remember, this is everywhere in homeopathic pharmacy or homeopathic medicine. Okay. You have to avoid direct sunlight. Okay. And to avoid direct sunlight in the medicines, okay, sometimes or you can tell many times medicines are kept in amber color water. Okay. That brown color bottle. Okay. That is one reason. We will study about this in the different chapter. Okay, like how to preserve the medicines. Okay, that we will study in that different chapter. Okay, but remember this. Okay, always if you are still not remembering remember these things. Okay, key, always you have to keep away your medicine or what you are preparing that away from sunlight, direct sunlight. Okay, then next part is direct sunlight. The temperature be better within the range of 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The jar is kept for 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, jar should be kept for 2 to 4 weeks. Remember it. Again, it is important. Okay, okay, it should be kept in cool and dark places. Avoid direct sunlight, and after that, you have to keep it in the for 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, means approximately 15 days to 30 days. So much long time you need. Okay, if you decide suddenly ki tomorrow I will make mother tincture, it is not possible. You have to just think these things before 1 month. Okay, and this 15 to 30 days is reason behind this is that we are not knowing the exactly which drug will dissolve in how many days. Okay, so this is a common days. Okay, you can keep 15 to 30 days. Okay, so that it can be dissolved. Okay, the time required for the proper extraction of medicinal substances varies considerably. Okay, it is therefore safe to allow the process of maceration to continue from 2 to 4 weeks according to the nature of the drug material. Okay, that's why this 15 days interval is there. Okay, because it depends upon the nature of drug. Okay, some will dissolve in 2 weeks, some will dissolve in 3 weeks, some will dissolve in 4 weeks. Okay, so like that. Okay, that's why remember these 2 to 4 weeks we need to make mother tincture in the process of maceration. Okay, next part is the sixth point. Okay, the jar is powerfully shaken once daily. Okay, means every day you have to shake that jar. Okay, if you are keeping it for otherwise whole material will settle down and you are not getting the proper medicine or proper mother tincture. Okay, that's why every day the jar, that big jars, okay, how much you are making medicine, okay, that jar should be shaken every day. Okay, after the lapse of the period the suspended fluid is decanted off in another clean glass uh, stopper bottles. Okay, means when your time period is completed, okay, what will happen, you have to keep the drug material separately. Okay, you have to keep the drug material separately from the other things. Okay, then after that the residue is passed out through a piece of new clean linen cloth. Again, remember always filtration is by new clean linen cloth. Okay, and the same added to the former tincture, the total juice thus obtained is the mother tincture of the drug substances. Okay, after what is actually not dissolved, that will be decanted off, or that can be just separated off. Okay, with the help of process of decantation, and after that the process of this filtration. Okay, you have to just take it out. Okay, and you have that clean filter. What you will get, that is your mother tincture. Okay, but still you need to purify it again. Okay, because that is still not so much pure. Okay, if the volume of the obtained mother tincture is less than the formula prescribed in the pharmacopoeia, which is due to evaporation of alcohol, contraction due to the mixture of alcohol of water, required quantity of manastrum or alcohol is added to the standardization. Okay, already it is given in pharmacopoeia. Suppose 5 gram of drug material, okay, and 1000 ml of alcohol you are adding. Okay, and after this adding, okay, 500 gram, or like you can keep 2 kilogram, okay, of drug material, and 1000 like 10 liters of alcohol you are keeping. Okay, then after that particularly it is given. Okay, these things are clearly given ki how much quantity of mother tincture you will get. Okay, but if you are not getting because of human error, okay, these are called as a human error, like your filtration process is not proper, your decantation process is not proper, sometimes this alcohol is evaporated. Okay, sometimes it happens ki actually how should be dissolved, it is not dissolved. Okay, so then you have to make in a proper proportion by just putting some amount of alcohol in that particular concentration. Okay, means you have to make that quantity that much. Okay, what is given as per HPI. Okay, by just gentle putting some amount of alcohol. Okay, so gently. Okay, so then contraction due to the mixture of alcohol and water, required quantity of menstruum alcohol is added for the standardization. Okay, to make a standard quality, you have to put a particular quantity of alcohol. If the volume of the obtained is more than the formula prescribed in the pharmacopoeia, then volume is reduced by gentle heating. Okay, you will give a little heat, and what will happen, this alcohol will evaporate and you will get the particular concentration as given in the HPI. Okay, deducing the proportion of the water from the addition of calculated amount of the strong alcohol. Okay, this whole process is done. Okay, means you have to manage the quantity. Okay, by just because already you know, as per the pharmacopoeia you have taken the material quantity as per pharmacopoeia, vehicle quantity as per pharmacopoeia, then your result should at last be as per pharmacopoeia. Okay, if it is more, okay, just you have to evaporate. If it less, you have to add some amount of vehicle, that is alcohol. Okay, so now by this way you made the mother tincture. Okay, by the new method. Okay, so in case of more viscous and mucilaginous substances with alcohol does not act fully on the substances, the process is modified as. How will you modify the process? Okay, little modifications are there. If like what material you are using that is not dissolving properly, or you are not satisfied with the dissolving process. Okay, the drug substances is made into a small pulp. Okay, means what you are making, you have to just make in a small pulp. Okay, then the pulp is placed in a macerating jar. Okay, half quantity of the pre-calculated menstruum is added to the drug substances. The macerating jar is corked and sealed to prevent evaporation of the alcohol. The jar is kept in the cool dark places for 2 to 4 weeks. The jar is powerfully shaken once daily. The superheated fluid is decanted off. The residue is present in thereafter. The residual mass when remain behind is taken in a clean porcelain mortar and pestle, and uh, double the quantity of green glass powder is added to it. Okay, if you are not satisfied with the particular amount of the mother tincture, okay, you can do this process again. You have to just uh, uh, just again you have to just go through this process. Okay, but it is not needed many times. It is completed in 15 to 30 days. Okay, if then thoroughly pulverized by a pestle, the pulp is now placed over the filter bed of the percolator, and the percolator by the quantity of the strong alcohol which was uh, not used before. The resulting tincture thus obtained is mixed with the previous prepared tincture. It is filtered by a filter paper and strong and stored in a glass stopper bottle, cool and dark places. Okay, means actually if you are not satisfied with the process of maceration, still you are feeling ki what residual part is left, that is still contain alkaloid, and there is some drug materials are there. Okay, you can just go for that for the process of percolation. Okay, that author is telling ki you can go for the percolation process also. Okay, percolation we will read. Okay, so don't confuse with this percolation process. Okay, just we will go through this percolation process. In maceration process or preparing mother tincture, decantation prior to filtration is necessary. If filtration is carried out without decantation, the filter paper through which the filter is performed will be choked up with the solid or semi-solid materials, and the fluid substances will not be able to pass through the filter paper, and then there will be a considerable loss of evaporation of the account of delay. Okay, that is just fully understood. This is very common thing. Okay, you if you will not do decantation process, what will happen? Directly all the material will choke the your linen cloth. Okay, so that you have to avoid. First we have to do the process of decantation, so that all the undissolved material will just settle down on the down or the lower side of the macerating jar. Okay, so till here you have any doubt? Okay, anything very simple process. Okay, just you have to take a jar, okay, steel or glass macerating jar, then you have to add quantity of pulp as per HPI, you have to add alcohol as per HPI. Okay, then you have to wait for 15 to 30 days. Okay, that is 2 to 4 weeks. Every day you have to shake well, okay, so that everything can be dissolved properly. After required quantity of time, what we will do, you will just leave it for decantation, and after decantation you will filter it again, and after filtration, okay, just you will uh, go to see ki, actually what quantity you need, that you got or not. Okay, if that particular quantity you have not got, okay, at that time then you can do the other things. Okay, like you can put some amount of alcohol, or if you got more quantity you can just go for the evaporation. Okay, so till here you have any doubt in maceration process? Maceration is one new process. Okay, new process for by the UK European Committee of Homeopathy. Okay, actually, this American Homeopathic Institute and European Committee of Homeopathy both have decided ki because of old method, big problem is that there is the every time you have to consider the drug power. Okay, that is in new method it is called as a drug strength. Okay, so but in this new method there is no need of that. Problems. Okay, that every time you can consider 1 by 10 or 1 by 100 as a drug power or drug strength. Okay, so you have any doubt or anything you can ask, okay, or otherwise later on you go through this part, and if still you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. Okay, okay, should we go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
percolation.
sir.
Okay, this is other method. Okay, percolation also asked many times in question paper. If you go through old question paper, you will see. Okay, this process of percolation was also asked many times. Okay, so percolation, we will go through percolation. Definition. Okay, it is a short process. Okay, it is short process as compared to maceration. Okay, if it is written it is a short process, okay, you will ask about the time duration, and time duration is just different or less as per maceration process. Okay, it is a short process of preparation of mother tincture in a new method, where the vehicle is passed through the soft, non-gummy and non-mucilaginous drug substances or vegetable and animal kingdom by an apparatus percolator for a definite period of time as per the nature of drug substances according to the pharmacopoeia. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, again we will go. It is a short process of preparation of mother tincture, okay, as compared to maceration process in a new method, where the vehicle is passed through a soft. Okay, there was in maceration hard. Okay, here soft, they are gummy, here non-gummy. Okay, and they are mucilaginous, here non-mucilaginous. Okay, just different. Okay, means all these things are soft. Okay, they can dissolve very easily. Okay, that's why it is short process. It takes less time. Okay, but it depends upon the nature of drug material. Okay, drug substances and vegetable and animal kingdom by an apparatus percolator for a definite period of time as per the nature of drug substances according to the pharmacopoeia. Okay, now we will go to the process of preparation. Okay, how will you prepare? Okay, the steps are there. Preparation of mother tincture. First is the principle. Okay, what is the principle for the preparation of mother tincture? Okay. Okay, principle, when a liquid capable of dissolving only a portion of powdered material is sprayed on a porous material and it passes through succeeding layer. Okay, different layers are there. Okay, we will learn about this. Okay, so when liquid is capable of dissolving only a porous or powdered material is sprayed on a porous material and it passes through the succeeding layer. Okay, just here we will take an example of coffea cruda. Okay, already you know coffee seeds. Okay, so coffee, roasted coffee, you have already seeds. I think also you have seen. Okay, so just we will not take the roasted coffee seed. We will here just learn about the dry coffee seeds. Okay, you can tell dry coffee seed. Okay, so just imagine dry coffee seed. Okay, and we will process the process of preparation of percolation. Okay. Okay, of powder, it gets saturated. The solution is subjected to two forces. One is by force of capillary attraction and by which powder tries to retain it. The second is the force of gravity action on it and the column of the liquid above it, resulting in downwards displacement of this standard solution. Okay, means two forces are working here. Okay, one is capillary forces, one is gravitational forces. Okay, this you will understand when we will study about the shape of percolator. Okay, macerating jar. Macerator is very simple. It is just like a steel drum. Okay, steel drum like that. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, but in percolation process little complicated. Percolator is a little complicated. Okay, the second is the force of gravity acting on it and the column of the liquid above it, resulting in downwards displacement of this standard solution. The second force being stronger than the first, the liquid uh, containing soluble parts of the powder gradually passes down through the porous material. Okay, through the porous material. Okay. Uh, about the capillary action and about the gravity action, where we have studied, do you remember capillary action?
Yes, sir.
Where?
Chromatography.
Chromatography. Okay, so this already you know about this capillary action. Okay, so that process will work. Okay, then physical forces acting on the process of percolation is gravitational force, viscosity of that particular liquid or that material, adhesion force, friction forces, osmosis, capillary attraction. Okay, surface tension, all the forces what you have studied in 11th 12th, all the forces name are here. Okay, then requirement. Okay, now main process of preparation is here. Okay, requirement, ingredients. Okay, what we need, drug substances. Okay, we need drug substances like here just we are, for example, we are taking coffee cruda or coffee. Okay, strong alcohol as a manstrom we need. Okay, appliances, percolator, already you have seen percolator in laboratory. Okay, some of you have asking like it is funnel or what. Okay, and is still your seniors. Okay, who have just last time given exam. Okay, spotting, they have written it as a funnel. Okay, so that is not a funnel, that is a percolator. Okay, percolator is a I don't have still funnel. Okay, in laboratory, remember it. Okay, that is still thing is a percolator, not a funnel. I have only glass funnel and this plastic funnel. Okay, white plastic and glass funnel is there. Okay, so remember this. Then percolator with sieves and regulating cork stopper is there. Okay, a glass rod with cork is there. Okay, the two things we need. Okay, diagrammatic description of percolator, that is very important. Okay, many times examiner only ask just explain percolator, how percolator is. Okay, so what I have percolator, that is just empty. Okay, all the layers are not there. Okay, just that is a, you can set tell it as a structure. Okay, proper percolator you need to make. Okay, means we need to make in the laboratory. Okay, definition: it is a apparatus used for percolation during the preparation of mother tincture. In new method, there are different types of percolator in respect of their shape and material. They are made up of copper, stainless steel, some alloys or porcelain or glass. Okay, the many things are there. Percolator can not only be of steel. Okay, it can be of copper, it can be stainless steel, it can be of other alloys, or it can be porcelain. But in our laboratory, we have stainless steel. Okay, then parts, what are the parts used? Okay, it consists of two parts. Okay, percolator proper and receiver. Remember it. Okay, percolator proper and receiver. Okay, percolator proper and receiver. Okay, these two parts are connected with rubber tubing and glass rods. Okay, rubber tubing is there and glass rods are there. Okay, percolator proper. Okay, what are the contents of percolator proper? Two parts are there, remember it: percolator proper and receiver. Okay, receiver that receives the mother tincture. Okay, percolator proper, it is the first or upper part. Okay, it is the first part or upper part of a percolator. Okay, I think I can show you percolator. You have seen. Okay, so okay, I will show you later on. Okay, percolator, or like we have this one diagram is also there. Okay, that is just means principal diagram, or just a simple diagram. Okay, so okay, so it first or upper part, it consists of two parts. Okay, that is head. Okay, first is the head. Okay, the upper conical or pear shaped is known as a head. Okay, fitted with a stop cork on the top. Okay, neck, the lower or end or narrow is known as a neck. Okay, which is connected through rubbing tubes and glass rods to the receiving vessels. Okay, shape you have to remember. Okay, head you have to remember, neck you have to remember. Okay, this is the main parts. Okay, then the cork within the orifices of the head as well as the neck below are very roughly rubbed so that the cork and the upper body can very conveniently be fitted with one another. Okay, so that upper part is just made rough so that it can connect it with the this cork. Okay, then very convenient by the fitting with the one another. There are arrangements for the entry of air after complete closure. Okay, now receiver part. Okay, we have a proper body part. Okay, that contains head and neck. Okay, then we have receiver part. Okay, it is the second or lower part. It is kept below the bottom of the percolator proper. It is a wide mouth glass jar. The receiver is provided with a stop cork. Okay, the apparatus is provided with uh, arrangement for placing the powder drugs moistened with the solvent and layer of cool scents, and above all there is an arrangement for the placing of white filter paper. Okay, a plug of an absorbent cotton is inserted into the neck above the stop cork. After arrangement is in this manner. Okay, just see different. Okay, okay, again we will go through this. Okay, different arrangements are there. Okay, in this. Okay, is inserted into the neck above the stop cork. After arranging in this manner, the apparatus will be left done for a full day or two, and then the requisite menstruum is poured over the drug powder. The tincture slowly falls through the neck, uh, drop by drop, and is collected in a receiving where the collection of is completed. The stop cork of the receiver is loosened and the contents are taken out and filtered. Okay, now here just different layer. Okay, again this layer will come. Okay, again we have a different in different page we will learn. Okay, but here just go through, we will again go through these parts. Okay, he just okay, receiver. Okay, what is this? It is the second or lower part. It is kept below the. Okay, we have next 10 minutes. Okay, then uh, bottom of the percolator proper, it is wide mouth glass jar. Okay, already has a funnel, like funnel, it has a wide mouth glass jar. Okay, the receiver is provided with a stop cork. Okay, the apparatus is provided with arrangement for placing the powder drug. Okay, powder drug you have to keep moistened with the solvent or like manistrum, and the layers of coarse sand. Coarse means bigger sand. Okay, big size of sand you have to keep. Okay, not okay, and above all there is an arrangement for placing of white filter paper. Then you have to put filter paper also, different layer you have to make. Okay, just remember you are making different layers on the funnel. Okay, you one layer you kept the cotton, then you kept filter paper, then you kept a coarse sand, then more coarse sand, and after that you have to put the drug material. Above that you have to put the manistrum. Okay, like that. Filter paper, a plug of a absorbent cotton is inserted into the neck above the stop cork. Okay, after arrangement in this manner, the apparatus will be uh, felt alone for a full day or two. Okay, means after that doing all the process. Okay, you have to keep all these things for at least 12 to 24 to 48 hours. Okay, that is 1 to 2 days. Okay, that's why it is a short process. Okay, that maceration process was long, 15 days to 30 days. Okay, here only 1 to 2 days, 24 to 48 hours. Okay, then full days, okay, or twos, and then the requisite menstruum is poured on the drug substances. The tincture slowly falls through the neck, drop by drop, and is collected in the receiver. Where the collection is completed, the stop cork of the receiver is loosened, and the contents are taken out and filtered. Okay, means whatever you got, okay, mother tincture at last, okay, it will be filtered down. Okay, and that you will get that again you need to just clean it, or you have to make it like a clean as per GMP. Okay, clean mother tincture. Okay, this is the desired mother tincture from the dry drug substances. Okay, means in maceration there was no need of putting anything like coarse and okay other things. Okay, because there we are at last we are filtering the process. Okay, with the linen cloth book, but in process of percolation, okay, everywhere means all this process will go slowly as per ki you have to just filter in the process only. Okay, there is different layers, cotton is there, filter paper is there, coarse sand is there, more coarse sand is there, then your drug material is there. Above that you are putting the manistrum. Okay, that's why already filtration process is done here. Okay, third is procedure. Okay, then preparation of percolator. Okay, preparation. Okay, what we have in laboratory, that is the just a structure of percolator. Okay, that is okay, means you have proper percolator you have to make. You have to put all the things. You have to put cotton inside, you have to put filter paper inside, you have to put coarse sand, you have to put more coarse sand, again you have to put more coarse sand, then you have to put the drug materials, then after above you have to put this the menstruum. Okay, so this procedure. So preparation of percolator. Okay, how will you prepare to make the percolator? Okay, so first we will go. A piece of fine well washed muslin is tied to the neck in a case of a small percolator without stop cork. Okay, a clean cork of best quality can be inserted in the neck in case of large percolator without a stop cork. If the percolator is not provided with a stop cork, okay, insert a cork in the top orifices, having first made a longitudinal small groove so that by the pressing, okay, the cork into the neck of the percolator with the required forces, the flow of the mother tincture may be regulated and stopped as desired. Okay, means you have to make it like that, so that on the top, okay, on the top if you are pressing, okay, can be pressed, or it can be managed by you. Okay, means if you are pressing more of the liquid will come from the downside. Okay, if you are pressing less, it will come less liquid, or less mother tincture will come from the downside. Okay, like that. So okay, then desired, then a toe is placed on the muslin. Okay, now toe, what is toe? Okay, again it was also many times asked in question papers as a 2 marks question, and at that time you are even not remembering where we have studied about toe. Okay, because when we complete whole chapters, okay, all the chapters at exam time, okay, even we are not remembering ki where, just we remember ki somewhere we have studied TOW, okay, but we are not remembering where we are at, okay. So remember, you have studied or you are studying TOE in the percolation process, okay. So it is an obstruction made up of porous material placed in or above the neck and below the powdered drug substances. It consists of layer from the below upward, okay. So this is toe, okay, and it can become as a 4 mark question also, okay, because it is so lengthy. Just see, 4 points are there, what toe contains, okay. Toe, okay, it is an obstruction made up of um, porous material placed in or above the neck and below the powdered drug substances. It consists of the layers from below upward, okay, remember it. Now, what are the a plug of an absorbent cotton inserted in the neck? First, you have to keep the neck. In the neck, you have to keep the cotton. Okay. Then after that, a layer up about 1/4 inch. Okay, just that double comma is inch. Okay, 1/4 inch thick minimum coarse sand. Coarse sand you have to keep. Then a layer up about 1/2 inch. Okay, thick medium coarse sand. Okay, then a layer of maximum coarse sand. Okay, all these things, four things you are keeping, that is called as a tow, TOW, okay. Then next we will go, okay, powdered green glass may be used instead of sand, okay. If you don't, you are not getting sand, or you are feeling sand can just spoil your mother tincture, you can use also powdered form of these glasses also, that is you will get in market, okay, that powdered glass, green glass, okay. Yeah, it controls the flow of liquid and it helps also in the filtration, as per just they are keeping out the all the materials which are not soluble, that material outside, okay. It controls the flow of liquid, okay. Now this is percolator, okay, this is the percolator. Okay, if you have book also, you can see, okay, this percolation or percolator, okay. Just see, okay, this is the, already you have seen percolator, okay. There is points are there, 1 2 3 4 5 is written, 6, okay, and then after that 7, okay, 7 is written percolator, okay. The first what, percolator, one first is the menstruum. On the top you have to put the menstruum, okay, that is the alcohol, okay. On the top you have to put the menstruum, okay, that is alcohol, okay. Then second, okay, second is layer is sand layer you have to put, okay. Then third is the filter paper, okay. After that you have to put a layer of filter. This sand will be in three parts, okay. More coarse, less coarse, and more okay, coarse sand. Three types of sand should be you have to keep, okay. Then drug substances, okay, down fourth part is, you just see, drug substances you have to keep, okay. Then stop cork you have to keep, okay, stop cork is there, okay. Then rubber tubes are there, okay, rubber tubes, so that you can just put or collect your mother tincture on the desired container, okay. Then rubber tube is there. Then receiving with the uh, markings, okay, this markings, okay, you have to receive the mother tincture at last, okay. Actually, if you will see different books, diagram is little separate, okay. Like here you see, okay, there is some issue with the diagram, I can tell, okay, because on the top you have to keep the drug material, and above that you have to keep, okay, this above that you have to keep your drug material, this menstruum, okay. And after that, in between these layers, okay, if you can see mouse, you can understand, mouse you can see where my mouse is there, you can see or you can understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so this I okay, actually this diagram in other books, okay, this uh, here it is told ki fourth point is the this drug material, okay, but drug material should be second point, first point should be yeah, this menstruum, second point should be drug material, and down there all the filter should be there, okay, like cotton should be there, and above that filter paper, above that code sand should be there, okay. So that, okay, anything, okay, it should be properly filtered, and you can get all the these dissolved materials, and you will get the mother tincture here in seventh point, okay.